Hey, it's Noe with WTI, and if you love tropical fruit and want to bring the flavor home to you, then you're going to want to check out this delicious dried fruit and nut tray from TropiJoy. When it comes to picking out dried fruit, some of the things that are super important to me are texture, color, and taste. This tray exceeded our expectations. First of all, look at this gorgeous coloring in the variety of fruits it comes with. This fruit tray comes with 10 different fruits, each one with its own unique and amazing taste. And the texture is absolutely perfect. It's easy to pull apart, each one coming with its own level of sweetness that you would expect from the fruit. The variety, the color, and the size of each fruit that you get in this tray is a showstopper, which makes it perfect for entertaining, for parties, for gifting, really for any occasion. The beautiful wood tray it comes with is perfect for displaying the fruit, or you can even reuse it for future occasions. So if you're looking to have a little fun exploring the joys of trying new tropical fruits, then I would highly recommend this fruit and nut tray from TropiJoy. And that's my point of view.